Bajaj launches 2017 Pulsar 220F in India. Bajaj Auto has launched the 2017 Bajaj Pulsar 220F in India at Rs 91,000, which is around Rs 4,000 more than the older Pulsar 220F it would replace. The new 2017 Pulsar 220F is powered by a BS4 compliant 220cc 4-stroke DTS-i oil-cooled single-cylinder engine develops that 21.05 PS of peak power and 19.12 Nm of peak torque and is paired to a 5-speed gearbox. Design changes made to the Pulsar 220F include a new digital instrument cluster with a blue background lighting, softer seats, red and black paint, manual choke, red striping on the black alloy rims and a black exhaust. The bike now also has a new timing chain designed for quieter operation and a revised power delivery that is more linear and smoother. In India, the new Pulsar would be competing against the likes of Suzuki Gixxer SF and the Yamaha Phaser FI.